This part will be software and slicing. We have to load the file first. Click Load on the top left side of the software to load the printing file. The test file base will be our example in this video. We can see the file name under the Object tab after loading the file. We can translate, rotate, or scale the model while choosing it. Here we'll rotate the model in X direction first, and moving it to the place we want to print. Assume it's here. Next, the slicer configuration is under Slicer tab. Click Configuration to modify the parameters. Press Save to save the modified parameters and it will apply to the software. You can create new parameter page by pressing New if you want to. And give it a name you want and then press OK. Therefore, you can have your own parameter page. About configuring slicer setting, please refer to Slicer Configuration document. The printing parameters for base will apply default value for this demonstration. Okay, let's see the right side of the software. There are print settings and material settings. The parameters under the print settings will be corresponding to print. There is a default page and you can also create a new one. The page you select under the parameters should be the same to the print. Therefore, we use default value, so we have to select default for parameters. There are two blocks under material settings. One is flow, the other is cartridge. Flow will correspond to material tab. Then we use default value under material tab, so the selection for flow should be default. Next, select two-part LSR for cartridge under material settings. After checking the slicer settings, press Start Slicing to slice the model. You can find the slicing result under Preview tab. It will be at Printing Statistics, including printing time and material consumption. As you can see, the value of E and I is 1392. This value corresponds to the cartridge scale and helps us to know the amount of the silicone. You can check the slicing result if it meets your expectation or not at visualization. Finally, there are single layer, multiple layer, show complete layers, and show travel for you to select to check the slicing result.